just how well versed you are with Excel formulas? Today, we are diving deep into the top 21 Excel formulas that can help you become a master of spreadsheets. So, gear up and get ready to transform your data manipulation skills. Tool Sum adds all numbers in a range. For instance, equal sign sum, a 1, a 9, will add the values from cell A1 to A9. Next, we have average. As the name suggests, it calculates the average of numbers in a range. For example, equal sign average, B1, B9, will give you the average of values from B1 to B9. Round is another handy tool. It rounds a number to a specified number of digits. So, equal sign round C1, 2 will round the value in C1 to 2 decimal places. Min and max are perfect for finding the lowest and highest number in a range, respectively. For example, equal sign min D1, D9 will find the smallest value in the range D1 to D9, while equal sign max D1, D9 will identify the maximum value. Count is a formula that counts the number of cells that contain numbers. For instance, equal sign count F1, F9 will count the numerical cells in the range F1 to F9. Then we have index, which returns a value in a table based on row and column numbers. For example, equal sign index K1, L10, 2, 3 will find the value in the second row and third column from the range K1, K10. Match is similar to index. It searches for a value and returns its relative position. For example, equal sign match L1, M1, M9, 0 will find the position of L1 in the range M1, M9. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are two essential formulas. VLOOKUP searches for a value in the first column of a range, and LOOKUP searches for a value in the top row of a table. For instance, equal sign VLOOKUP G1, H1, H10 to false will find G1 in the range H1, H10, and equal sign HLOOKUP I1, J1, S2 to false will find I1 in the top row of J1, S2. COUNTIF, COUNTIFs, counter, and SUMIF, SUMIFs are all about counting or adding cells that meet certain conditions. For example, equal sign COUNTIF N1, N9, 5 will count cells in range N1, N9 that are greater than 5. The IF and nested ifs formulas perform conditional tests. For example, equal sign if R1, 5, yes, no, will return yes if R1 is greater than 5 and no if it's not. Average ifs calculates the average for cells that meet certain criteria. For instance, equal sign average if Q1, Q9 times 5 will calculate the average of values over 5 in the range Q1, Q9. Logical operators and Oregon combine multiple conditions. For example, equal sign and S1, 5, S2, 2 will return true only if both conditions are met. Concatenate joins two or more text strings. For example, equal sign concatenate T1, ET2 will combine the first name and last name in one cell. Left, right, and mid are all about extracting characters from a text string. For instance, equal sign left U15 will extract the first 5 characters from the left of the text in cell U1. Text converts a value to text in a specific number format. For example, equal sign text V1 MY will convert the date July 2nd, 2024 to February 24th. Finally, if error returns a custom result if a formula errors out. For instance, equal sign IFEROR W1 0 will output 0 instead of an error message. And there you have it, the top 21 Excel formulas that can help you navigate your way through any spreadsheet. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to try these formulas out on your own and